Deputy Chief Minister Badaikmi Iaka Home Police Bak Preston Tensong haka arpu kenai terik kelalingkot ulaong baka sorkar kala syim yaka sinjam ban pynbeit no yaka ishu Them Iew Mawlong kabala ne Islam ban penkendria yaki laispa sapu artli kilong ying harijan kat balak kloy. Ubak Preston ulaong baka sorkar kala dep yakren bat kinoyalam ke harijan pencayat komiti HPC bat kidkhor ke Delhi Gurudwara yaka jingsyong jingalang ke bawan. Ulaong wana kaliang ke sorkar kala ay katarik bat kaap sakid khod Delhi Gurudwara bat marsenyo jingtip ke sorkar kan lum jingalang ban pendep ya kani ke kam teng. Kumban chupen kan mau baka sorkar jelah kala syim ya karai ban bahasa iwei pun saw akar ka jaka na kebenta ban penkendria ya kilai spa sapu artli kilong ying harijan na Them Iew Mawlong syaka jaka bala long try da ka Shillong Municipal Board SMB.
We have already communicated. We are yet to receive the date exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the president and the general secretary of that
HPC.
Gurudwara over there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time, so we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible. We will not indicate exactly when, but from the government side, we are ready. We wanted to meet them, and once they indicate the time, we will fix accordingly. But we really wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.